If you want to know how to fix TikTok video under review problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our TikTok and let's say that we want to upload a new video. And if we did it, so it's under review and it takes a lot of time for TikTok to check this video. So how can we fix it? We have some ways of how can we do that. So basically, let's say that we have a video which is under review for maybe 1 day, 2 days, and it takes a lot of time for them to check. And what if you think that the process didn't even begin? So we have the solution. All we need to do is just to simply click on more in the right top corner on these 3 lines, and then just click on settings and privacy right up here. So after that, we need to find the support and about area, and here click on report a problem. So after that, we need to find the necessary topic which is suitable as for us. I think it's about videos and sound. So let's click on it right up here. And then as you can see, we have a lot of different topics, but we need to click on posting videos. And then just click on other. So we can also click on can't post videos or something like this. But as for me, other is the most suitable topic. So let's click on need more help. And after that, we'll come to this page here where we need to explain our problem. Here we need to write something like this. I have a video, and it's under review more than 1 day. Help me, please. So you need to write something like which is describe your problem. As for me, it looks like this. So let's click on submit. And in a few maybe hours, the TikTok support team will receive our message, and probably they will fix this problem. They will review our video like as a first one or something like this. But let's say that they have a lot of videos uploaded which needs to be reviewed. So maybe it will be like better for you to wait maybe for 1 day, for 2 days, until it will be automatically viewed by the robot or by the TikTok like employee. So this is the way. And the other way of how can we fix it is the best way that we can try to delete this video and then just try to re-upload it as a new one, because sometimes the TikTok algorithms could be like misunderstanding as for the video, and in another way they won't find it as something bad which is need to be reviewed. So these are 2 days of how can we fix TikTok video under review problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.